Okay, so I'm back home and I'm gonna just do a quick run through of all the stuff that we got on our Austin trip. I'm gonna start out with some of the coolest stickers as well as business cards that some of these stores have. Like, look how freaking cool, right? Ugh. And then I picked up a rock because there was so much like gypsum zinc looking powdery glitter from all these rocks while we were there. And this one kind of spoke to me. It also looked like a point. And then following my first day there, I exchanged candy with somebody. I had commented that this little pill was so cute. It's kind of like a chill pill. It has a smiley face on it. And it says stop thinking with a little skull on it. Really, really cute. As for merch, I had a credit for $5, which wasn't really great because the surcharge is $2.50. So it's technically $2.50 off. But, you know, better than nothing, right? I decided to pick the Pashmina for Meow Wolf. I didn't get to go to their experience this time, but this is their Eclipse Pashmina, and this is the first time I'm opening it. The design on their display, and it's just really beautiful. Has their glow-in-the-dark trees, and waves, and stuff like that, as well as the Eclipse, so I really like that. If you guys had seen me visiting Meow Wolf in Santa Fe, you'll know where these trees came from. So that's beautiful. And then because it was so humid, Austin, I actually went to go to the mall because I wanted to get a change of clothes. I only had sweats. And my partner actually dressed me. So this is a shirt that says Je t'aime. And this was $7 or $5. And then these shorts that kind of look like a skirt or a skirt. There is like a lining inside. And my phone actually fits in these pockets. This was $7. Sales are final. Speaking of sales, my partner found these drawstring shorts in the, well, actually I found this one. He found the other one, but they're just so silky and beautiful with a pattern. This is like a fuchsia burgundy situation. That was $4.95, and this as well is $4.95. He found this one, and it just looks so pretty. Score. And then I also got this. It's made out of recycled saris from India, and it's reversible, completely reversible, and they show you a card on how to wear this. I just loved the color combination. It's by Earthbound Trading Company, and yeah, this is how you wear it. You actually have to tuck it through and then tie it off. Tuck it through your legs. So I'm really excited about this one. And then from Mikasa on Soko, I saw Frida Kahlo. This outfit makes me look like, think of Lilu from Fifth Element. It's a medical bandage dress. It's a book of matches with some pink glitter. Had to get it. Although we went to Allen's Boots, that was like rent or double or triple the cost. So I decided to get my own little boot. The only one that I can afford at this moment, and it's real leather, and it's just really cute too. It's an ornament, so that's cute. Of course, I got my stones from the herb store. I always try to see what kind of metaphysical stores are all over the place. I got stuff from Colorado before. I've gotten stuff here in Los Angeles, but I have carnelian as well as this type of, it looks like onyx, but it's like a weird obsidian. Then I also have a bloodstone, which looks more green, but it has red specks. Sunstone, just super glittery. And the lapis, which she was going to charge me almost over double because she thought it was a large, but it was in the small. So I don't know. But yeah, that's kind of all the stuff that I have. Just kidding. I actually purchased a couple more unofficial merch from some people because I didn't get to experience the full festival. So in order to get some more memorabilia, I purchased 2 shirts and a hoodie from a guy who stenciled out his own design for the Eclipse. This green one is actually for my partner, and I had to pay in full beforehand. And so it was kind of a leap of faith, but I did research the person on Facebook and on Instagram, and people have seemed to receive their stuff. So it was at my own risk, but it turned out well. And then I didn't realize that I had messaged this girl before for tickets to an event, but she was printing out bookmarks and stickers that she designed that were really cute. And then this girl was giving out candy that was Eclipse based, and I wanted to give her something in return, but it's been such a hassle to send her something through the mail. First, I couldn't use the same packaging that she sent me her item in because it was already opened. Weird, because that's what I do with Amazon packages all the time. The second time, there was not enough postage, and the person at the post office wouldn't take it because he said that he just couldn't. What a joke. So it's on its 3rd voyage out, and I hope she receives it because it's been ridiculous. She had a hard time sending hers out to people as well, and she had 40. And then here are some of the goodies that other people had created for the festival and for the Eclipse. I just think it's so cool how creative people are, and I don't even know where they get some of this stuff made because the enamel pins are so good. The denim patch coming up is really awesome. I really wanted one of those as well. Posters, stickers, everything that you can think of. This was my absolute favorite. They literally put the entire headlining list up, but it's like really well designed and rainbowy over black because Eclipse. And then this was a really funny story. There was a tattoo parlor that you could go into that was in a truck that you could get a tattoo at the festival, and this guy got an Ouroboros, but he wanted to get the Eclipse on the inside, and everybody else said it looked like an orifice, and he didn't end up liking the responses, but it was just really hilarious because, I mean, come on, look at it. And that I got from Austin. If you liked my trip and this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can learn about Austin and the trip that's centered around the Eclipse. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. And until next time, stay safe, have fun, and keep it curious, everyone.